topic. Very small topic. Account receivable is credit sales, opposite of account payable, but definitely there will be little variation between AP and AR. So account receivable is credit sales. So if you have sell, if you have done the sell on credit basis, the amount yet to receive from the customer is known as a account receivable, or it is also known as a like sundry debtors. Now in this we are going to understand same like customer group creation. When you sell, how you want to categorize your customer group. Second, number ranges for the customer group. Third point, we are going to understand assigning the number ranges customer group. Up to here there is no difference between ECC and S4 HANA. This even in ECC also you're doing. Then fourth point, defining grouping, which you have already done during the vendor time. Then fifth, defining the number ranges. Defining the number ranges. 6, assigning the number ranges and number ranges to BP grouping. One thing you need to be very careful while doing the numbering, because I have taught you few scenario. Your BP equal to your customer is equal to your vendor. So 4-5 scenario I have taught you. That scenario you need to keep in your mind. What is the requirement you want? Your BP number, your customer number, your vendor number should be same or it should be different, or your BP number and customer number should be same or vendor number should be different. So that combination you have to keep in mind. Accordingly you have to choose the number ranges. Okay, now once this is done, because this up to here you have done in the even in the AP also. Now 7 point you have to learn in this normal invoice posting, like vendor invoice, sorry, customer invoice posting, customer credit memo. Okay, normal invoice and credit memo you have to. Then 8th point you have to learn discount allowed to customer, you have to give the discount, so that you have to learn. The 9th point you have to learn if you are giving the, if you are receiving the advance from the customer. So advance from the customer, this is known as a special GL transactions. Special GL transactions. 10. Then after this you are going to learn dunning. Then 11, provision for doubtful debt. Doubtful debts. Okay, then 12 point you are going to see what are the custom report you may require to build. So one custom report you have to build, statement of account, statement of customer account, which includes what are the invoices due, and that statement you have to every month you have to send to the customer. Statement of customer account, this is one of the development you have to do depending on the client requirement. Then that remittance receipt confirmation, some company will follow. Once you customer paid the money, you have to send them confirmation that I have received the money. Okay, so this is the one. Then statement of account and remittance advice. Okay, so this much you have to learn in the in the AR. Okay, so these are the thing we have to learn in the AR. At least minimum this much thing you have to finish. And partial residual is everywhere, either customer vendor. So you have to learn how to make partial, how to account partial payment, how to account residual payment, how to account your unaccount. Okay, all this thing you have to learn in the account receivable. Any doubt up to here? Anybody has anything? Hello, any doubt up to here? No, right? Shall I process?
Sir, have you covered bills of exchange also?
Okay, if you want, I can cover, but I think it is only
Yes.
just process is there, yeah, Naresh.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
so there is nothing that no you will not be able to do it. If you configure it, you will be able to do it.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir. Okay. And sir,
Will-
foreign currency transaction concept also you explain
Huh. So for
from the
same like
export customer.
so same
Okay, okay.
same it will be there, na.
Sir,
So
uh,
during the posting and revaluation time, realize sorry unrealized gain or loss. If you receive actual payment, then you will be realized same way. There is no difference between a customer and vendor.
okay, okay.
Okay, okay, na. You got in Naresh? Any difference? You
Yes,
find
yes, sir.
no difference, right? Same way it will work because there also you're revaluating the invoice. Here also you'll be revaluating the invoice. Okay, na.
Okay, okay.
Anyway, we'll learn it. Foreign currency revaluation. A foreign currency revaluation. Fine. So up to here you have to learn. Now let us start doing the config. So come here slash in SPRO. Only important point you have to focus on numbering. Again, I'm telling numbering. There are numbering. Let's say your BP number, your customer number, and your vendor number. You want to make sure if your BP number is 1000, your customer number is 1000, your here also 1000. Then I have taught you, I have given one diagram what should be internal, what should be external, and how to handle it. You remember? Prasad, you remember? Because you were asking question more that during that time. You remember,
Yes,
na?
yes, I have. Hari, I have remember. The four scenarios which you were discussing, like
Ha,
when customer is not equal, vendor and
ha.
customer,
You,
something.
you
Oh,
you remember, right?
yes, yes, I am.
So that scenario here you have to think because during BP and vendor time, what you have decided, customer time also you have to accordingly define the number ranges and all. Okay, if there you have defined like 5 lakh 5,000 to 5,999, then if you want same number, then here for customer also you have to define 5,000 to 5,599 only. Then only it will come same. So that point you have to keep into mind. That is what I'm telling you. Okay, because in interview sometimes they'll ask one questions also, how to make customer as a vendor as a customer. So that question they ask. Okay, that question they ask you, so you need to be careful. Now let me go. So numbering part, please take care. I hope you know it. I have already taught you.